Long and arduous is the way of research, but behind it all there is love. This sentence was written by Vincenzo Tiberio, an Italian scientist of the late 19th century, born in Cepino in the province of Campobasso on the 1st of May, 1869 and died in Naples on the 7th of January, 1915. Introduction. Vincenzo Tiberio is a distinguished scientist at which the Italian scientific community has not yet recognized the right merits, and that, as happened to many, in a country where no one is prophet in his own land, and that constantly records a significant intellectual migration at national level, but also at international level, Tiberio has never been adequately valued for the studies and the results obtained. How things went. Events. Vincenzo Tiberio, our mentor, finalized and published 35 years before Alexander Fleming a study about bactericidal action of mold, which anticipates Fleming's studies in the discovery of penicillin. Of wealthy family, Vincenzo Tiberio spent his youth in Arzano, where he starts his studies at the Royal University of Naples. He graduated medicine at the young age of 22 years and begins his observation and research at home. He realized that when the house well, to which the whole family and servants draw from, was cleared of mold that proliferated inside, everyone supplying from the well and drank that water suffered from intestinal disorders that automatically disappeared as soon as the mold resumed to grow. Tiberio had the brilliant idea to link this repeated sickness to mold. He began to observe them, and growing them, to then study them in the laboratory to publish a study entitled On Extracts of Some Molds. He appeared in the Annals of Experimental Hygiene of the Royal University of Naples in January 1895. The article that contained the results of the research which led him to discover the powerful bactericidal properties of mold, in fact, was not very successful. His was one of those investigations deemed not credible, but we repeat, even after more than a century away, Vincenzo Tiberio had got it right. What we ask for our mentor. We ask to be recognized the scientific validity of the results of his research, and without taking away anything from what has been the discovery of Fleming, even the one by chance 35 years later, and is reported the name of Vincenzo Tiberio in his studies in the books of biology, microbiology, hygiene, and/or history of science, Italian and foreign, until it will be recognized his abilities and genius, and that we can formally identify him as the Italian scientist precursor of penicillin.